So, you've booked a trip abroad, but you haven't had time to learn the language. That's okay. Google Assistant has your back with an easy interpreter to help you communicate with the locals all across the world. Say, okay Google, be my Italian interpreter.
Sure, opening Google Translate.
At this stage, you may get a prompt to install Google Translator. So go ahead, select install, and then pick the language you need to understand. When you hear the tone, start speaking in either language and it will give you the opposite option. You might need some of those essential phrases. For example, where is the nearest toilet?
Dov'è il bagno più vicino?
Or perhaps you want to see the sights and you can try something like, how do I get to the Colosseum?
Come arrivo al Colosseo?
If you've selected the right option, Google Translate even works offline, so you won't need to use any data while using this feature. The translator also works if someone's saying something you don't understand. Just get them to speak into the microphone. Now you can head further off the tourist trails and enjoy your travels.